Let's go. Alright, what are we doing today? This part just got finished. This is the tail end of the Orville doublets that I'm working on, medium size. And here's one that I just finished. That tail. And that is going to cut the taper shape. Today I am engraving logos onto caps. This is my logo engraving machine. This is an old pantograph engraver from a jeweler shop. This is my logo template in for Elizabeth Newton and Sean Newton. I make the pens, and I wouldn't have known what a fountain pen was if it wasn't for her buying me one. So, NN. People ask me that all the time. This is made out of brass. And this is, here, just watch, this is where the heart goes. I made this little doohickey here to help center the caps, to line the things up, so that way when I engrave the logo, I'm not guessing so much anymore, and it makes doing this a lot quicker. Because an off-center logo under a clip is ugly. Can't see that, but there you go. That makes it so much easier. Yep. So this weekend I was tasked with making a couple of sections for a couple of these guys. This is the Pilot giant Urushi pen. There's the original section that came with it, that one. And here's, I made two black ones and a red one. And the feed has got red Urushi on the fins there. and the rest of it's just black plastic. And it's all just friction fit in there. Oh, there you go. Big pins, big nibs.